Ace,
Yep.
I got a serious question.
What?
How old am I?
31.
Good job. What's my favorite color?
Purple.
Yes. What's my name?
Mommy.
Mommy. Yes. What's my favorite food?
Some grits and some bacon, some waffles.
Yes. And that means I love breakfast, y'all. And who do I love?
Your baby.
My kids. Can you please stop fake coughing? Why kids always do the little fake cough?
Okay, let me do this.
Yes, I love my kids and my husband. Don't forget that.
Don't leave. I got one more day. Look, what my favorite color?
Your favorite color is blue.